Well, that is annoying. That is a giant pain in the ass. Well, first thing is we've got to turn the mains off. I don't have a tap underneath here that I can turn it off with a stopcock. Alright, well, it's time to see if we can't fix Mr. Drippy that's been now pissing me off for many a day. Let's that freaking thing off there. I have a feeling the seat in the bottom of this may be cracked. So if it is, I'm going to show you how to fix it. If it's not, well, I'm not going to. Because I've got better things to do. Such a pain in the ass. But this is your normal domestic bullshit. Okay. That little piece there, that fits inside here. Where are we? Like such. And that gives it grip. Okay. Now we need to take this off. I got lucky there. I was able to undo it with my fingers. Otherwise I was going to have to go and grab multi-grips and try and wrench it off with. Try not to undo these with pliers and stuff because they absolutely destroy them. This is at 22mm. We'll just unscrew that as well. This is our last thing, and as you can see, it's not very badly damaged at all. There's not much wrong with that. So I'd say we might have a cracked seat in here. Let's have a bit of a look and see if we can get in there and see it. Not seeing much. You know what, I think this has already had a replacement seat put on it. And it has got a bit of a chip thing in there. So pretty much every few times you change a washer, you really should run one of these things through there, and it's going to get all the scale and shit off it. Now that's the wrong size, so we can undo that. How about we pull back a bit so we can see. So we unscrew that one, put this one on instead. Such. Goes down in there. This then, we've got to slide down that way. So you don't cross thread it. Just screw that on like that, and tight. Then we screw this one down, that's going to push it against the seat. Holds in there nice and tight. like such. And just give it a few turns. Sounding a little bit better. So let's take this off and we'll have a look in there. I'll try and get my big fat head in here. Let's use a bit of shine, a bit of leftover water so we can do that. Right, now we've definitely got a chunk out of it right there. Now, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's take this off and stick it in the hole for you. Right there, you should be able to see that. We're just going to keep grinding at this until that has pretty much vanished, or try to anyway. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom. By the looks of that, that's already had a replacement seat put in it. We don't want to do it down too far because otherwise we'll chew the seat right out of it and it will be completely rooted. Alright, well, as I thought, the seat in this is absolutely stuffed, so I'm going to have to put a new one in. To put a new one in, I've got to drill it and tap it and then screw the next seat in. Put our tap in here. Go. Doesn't need to be real deep. Put our seat back on our Allen key, or hex head, whatever you like to call them. And then we just screw that in there like that. Done. That's what I used there. Now you can buy the whole kit with the Allen key and the tap, and well, it doesn't come with a die, but it comes with a tap. And by tap I mean one of these. That's called a tap thread cutter. So that comes with that. With the kit comes with that. This one didn't, because this was $15 and the one with all the shit on it was $50. So I wasn't going to pay that. Put a new washer on here. Let me just scrape the old shit off first. If I was downstairs, I'd just use a wire wheel. Get this crap off real quick. Let's just rip it up there like that. There you go. Pull him off. Okay, now let's clean this out so it doesn't rip the shit out of the new washer. Put that on there, fibre washer. A lot of these things are called the same bloody thing. So that's our old washer. It's gone hard as a rock, but I've got a whole thing of these because I use them a lot. If you did buy the whole kit, then, you know, put it aside where you won't lose it. Good luck with me doing that. But put it aside where you won't lose it, and then you can just buy the actual little kits like this for $15. But I had, I got my big kit there and stuff that I use all the time. My tap and die set. Okay, so we make sure the tap's on, so when it's being done up, otherwise you're just going to squish the shit out of your new washer, and no need to use all your force or anything on that. It's definitely no need to be doing that to it. Screw this crappy old one back down on. Put our little grabby bit on. I have no idea what that's called. That then goes onto there. This one then goes onto here. That's what I'm getting on properly. Thank you. Easiest way to do this one is have a socket to put it on with. But I'm just going to use a screwdriver because it's got a couple of slots in it. Jam him on like that. Righto. Let's just leave him like that for the time being. Just clean the shit off this.
Techno.